Hello students, welcome again in our chapter 5, derivative related our numericals. Students, today I am explaining you derivative for every inverse trigonometric functions. Yes students, in inverse trigonometric functions we not explaining in the last year. Only trigonometry you know. So here one numerical is coming. Example 26. Fx given sin inverse x. Find out dy by dx. Then after cos inverse x, one by one all I explained today, students. I hope you enjoyed this part. So fx is sin inverse x. So suppose y is equal to sin inverse x, where y belongs to my range minus 90 to 90. So what is the x? Sin y. Yes, sin y. Now differentiation with respect to x, because I want dy by dx. This consider your question is y. So dy by dx of x. Here dy by dx of sin y. Now this derivative is known. X respect to x, there is only one, and sin y derivative, which is cos y into y pending. What is y pending? Y derivative dy by dx. So finally dy by dx is a 1 upon cos y. Now this cos y, students, I translate into sin y. You know that under root cos square y. And cos square y is known under root 1 minus sin square y. And what is sin y? X. Finish. 1 by under root 1 minus x square, where x never minus 1 and plus 1. If you minus 1 and plus 1, anyone you show, sure this answer is not exist, because 1 by 0. So finally done. Sin inverse x derivative is what? 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Yes, students. Here you are finished this first one. After that I go to extra numericals. Not given in your textbook, but here I show you extra. Fx is either y cos inverse x, your data, and find out dy by dx. Sometimes only fx given, so you assume that y is equal to cos inverse x. So where y belongs to in your range. Here range is limited to sin inverse x. Here range is limited to 0 to pi, close bracket. Yes. So what is the x? Yes, it is cos y. Now students, I start derivative respect to x. So differentiation with respect to, students, only x. This numerical and these are totally same. So d by dx of x is equal to, here d by dx of sin y, cos y. Now this derivative is 1. Now students, one more time I am asking you cos y derivative. First cos derivative, after that y derivative respect to x. Yes, I know that. You also know cos y derivative minus sin y and y derivative pending. Yes, it is chain rule wise dy by dx. So what do you get in dy by dx? Minus 1 by sin y. Look at that. This equation and that was totally same going. Only minus extra. Now sin y under root sin square y. According to this side, same is written. Now students, sin square y is also I showing that under root 1 minus cos square y. And what is the y for cos square? Yes, this cos y is x. So I just showing that x square. Where also you just compulsory write down not equal to plus or minus 1. Means x is never 1 and minus 1. Then this derivative is extra part for cos inverse x done and sin inverse x. Actually both is the same. Only here positive and that is the negative. Now students, I am giving this example 27. To tan inverse x derivative. Now students, after writing our cos inverse x derivative, I just start tan inverse. Your question is just suggestion y, where y belongs to a range minus 90 to 90. Already I explained in second chapter. So what is the x? Tan y. And here start simple derivative differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx of x, d by dx of tan y, and this derivative is known x respect to x, it is 1, and tan y derivative first tan after that y, and derivative is x square y, and y derivative dy by dx by chain rule. So dy by dx is done 1 upon x square y. And this x square y, students, you know the property 1 plus tan square theta. Yes, it is sec square theta, but I want the value for sec square theta here. So 1 by 1 plus tan square y, and this tan y already known. So I just put it 1 plus x square. For 3x belongs to R, this answer is done. Derivative of tan inverse x function, students, 1 by 1 plus x square is your final value. Now I am going to say one of the expressions. What? Yes, it is cot inverse x. Same as I explained, y is equal to cot inverse x. Find out derivative. So, similarly suggestions, y derivative tan, same as your cot. So, suppose y is equal to cot inverse x, where y belongs to range of related cot inverse, open bracket 0 to yes pi. So, what is the x? What y? Now start differentiation with respect to differentiation with respect to x. So here d by dx of x, d by dx of cot y. Yes, very easy. Here 1, and what is the cot derivative? Minus cos x square y, and y derivative is same as to respect to x is pending according to chain rule. So what is the dy by dx? Minus 1 by cos x square y. And this identity also same as you know 1 plus tan square sec square. Similarly here 1 plus 1 plus cot square y, and cot y already I know. So applying that 1 plus x square for every x belongs to R. So finally dy by dx minus 1 by 1 plus x square. You done for our cot inverse x. And look at that tan inverse x, because both is the same. In the last part already I am showing this direct derivative formula, and already I told you write down 5 times. Actual derivative is this. Yes, students, it's very easy. Now other two remaining sec inverse x and cosec inverse x also I explained in the extra, not given in your textbook. Now students, slowly I am going ahead. Sec inverse x function and cosec inverse x function. So same as, suppose y is equal to sec inverse x, where y belongs to 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Same explanations. So x is equal to sec y. Now here starts students differentiation with respect to what? Yes, respect to x. So d by dx of x. Here also d by dx of sec y. So here definitely 1. Now changing to sec y. Yes, it is sec y into tan y, and y derivative respect to x is pending. So what is the dy by dx? 1 upon sec y into tan y. Students, sec y already known you, but tan y translating the sec according to our identity. What is the identity? Yes, square y. Before operating, I just write down the identity 1 plus n square theta. It is x square theta. So what is the k square? Yes, x square theta minus 1. This value I attach. So 1 upon zy under root, yes, x square y minus 2 students. And already you know zy value x, just put it and happily done. So dy by dx. Here x into x square minus 1. But where x never 1 and never minus 2. It means more than 1 valid and minus 1 to less than valid. Then this defines the case value under root x square minus 1. And here students, I just show about to modulus because this x particularly in the range of this set region in the values of 0 to y minus pi by 8. Correct? So you just take here positive values. Then it is defined the above four values for 1 upon modulus x under root x square minus 1. Same as next one, cosec inverse x. Same solutions. Suppose y is equal to the question where y belongs to minus 90 to 90, but here minus 0 because at 0 place cosec is not defined. So finally you go on x is equal to cosec y and start the derivative. Differentiation with respect to, yes, with respect to x. So your dx of x, same dx of cosec y. So here go on, conformly one. But what is the cosec y derivative respect to x? Yes, cosec y derivative minus cosec y into cot y into y derivative pending respect to x. So I just show about that dy by dx. That's why dy by dx minus 1 by cosec y into cot y. Students, cosec y already known. Direct put it, but cot y is identity. So first of all, I am showing the identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So what is cot square? Yes, cosec square theta minus 1. So dy by dx minus 1 by this cosec y already known x and here under root cosec square y minus 1. Yes students, finally finished. Minus 1 by x into under root x square minus 1. Here also I am showing x range greater than 1. It means more than 1 valid, either minus or less than valid. You don't write down between minus 1 and 0 range because this answer is not defined there. And here also showing the one of the modulus. Only and only this part is modulus part. Here also modulus part in that range. So positive values. That's why here showing about x is positive because this x will be positive given to cosec y. So this answer done here cosec inverse x and here done sec inverse x. Finally students, here 6 parts derivative over sin inverse up to last cosec inverse x. So one more time I repeat you write down minimum 5 times daily this formula list on here. Yes students. Now I go ahead to our exercise. Yes students, basic for our infinite functions and trigonometric inverse trigonometric derivative over. After that I am going to trivial sum. Exercise 5.3. Find dx for infinite functions first and second equation. One more time repeat students, infinite is nothing x and y given in the equations variable forming either both side either one side. So here I start differentiation with respect to x. So 2 dy dx of x plus 3 dy dx of y and here dy dx of sin x same x. So finally done. It is 1. Here dy by dx is variable. Don't take out it is a constant. Constant is only 2 and 3. And here sin x derivative cos x but x derivative pending respect to x must be write down, otherwise you confuse in the sin y form. So here 2 plus 3 divided by dx is equal to cos x into 1. Finally 1. So 3 divided by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. So what do you get divided by dx? Yes, cos x minus 2. This 3 I just divided. And easily done. Next one. Here also 2, 3 constant here. But look at that sign y given. So sign derivative first, after that y derivative. Similarly here, sign derivative first, after that x derivative. Respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x. So dy dx of, here 2 constant outside, x only, 3 outside, y only, and dx of sin y. So first derivative is easily done. Only and only 2, here 1, here 3 divided by dx. Now students, here carefully, for sin derivative, after that y. That's why here students I explained first cos derivative, after that value. Sorry, not cos derivative, for sin derivative cos x, and x derivative respect to x, you must be right. So here cos y and y derivative pending to dy by dx of this y, this derivative of sin. So to this sin y are rearranged in the form of dy by dx. Cos dy by dx. Students, this dy by dx and this dy by dx should make combined. So cos y minus 3 dy by dx, just like common checking students. Finally, you getting dy by dx 2 by cos y minus 3, and this whole part is divided there. And easily this solution done here. Only one turning point here, students. These are the turning point. If you this understood properly, then easily done. Yes, one more numerical in the same pattern. Now students, continue. Question number 3rd and 4th. Also I combine explaining. So I taking students directly respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x. In all numerical students, find out dy by dx. So here a constant, dy by dx of x, b constant, dy by dx of y square, and here dy by dx of cos y. Oh well. So students, you know that here ddx of x derivative 1, b here first y square derivative, after that y derivative. So 2y is to 2 minus 1 and y derivative pending for respect to x. Here also same, cos y derivative minus sin y and y derivative pending for only what? Dy by dx. So finally a plus 2b y is to 1 dy by dx and minus sin y dy by dx as it is. Now this dy by dx and that dy by dx is both making combined. So a, this both I take right side and take out the common. So after common taking, what is remaining? Minus sin y, this is also right side, minus 2dy over, so dy by dx is equal to a upon minus sin y minus 2dy, minus also common take and take upper side, only I have sin y plus 2by. Actually students, here minus take common outside and upper side return because both are the same. These answer I just only dy by dx a upon sin y plus 2dy minus a outside is my answer. This also one more unit function. Continue question number 4. Same apply. Differentiation with respect to x. So here both are variable given in product form, students. So d dx of xy same. d dx of y square same, d dx of tan x and d dx of y. Yes students, one by one I just apply there values in the derivative form. So here product rule: first, second derivative, second, first derivative. These are the product forming only and only. Plus here y square derivative. Already explained for y square. First power derivative, after that y. So 2y is to 2 minus 1 and y pending dy by dx. Yes. Here time x square x. For x derivative pending, just to write down dx by dx. Actually it is 1, but you show out the dx by dx. And here same is dy by dx. Finally, students will get out x dy by dx plus y is 1 plus 2y dy by dx, and this side also x square x dx by dx is 1 only, and here also dy by dx. Now students, you just focus on that values for this dy by dx, that also, and this also. All I combine at a time 1 dy by dx common. So here x dy by dx common taking. So x dy by dx common taking. Here also 2y, and this taking right to left side minus 1. And other functions x square x minus y. This one I take right side. One more time repeat: x, y, and that one take left side minus 1. Another y x square is combined. So dy by dx, students, only and only x square x minus y upon x plus 2y minus 1. Here done, students, cover these answers. Actually here x, 2y and dy by dx all are like term. That's why I take combined. And x square x and y is separated. So other answers. So easily done. Our question 3 and question 4 are easy. Continue, students. Slowly I am going ahead. Question 5 and question 6. Same as in this infinite function, differentiation with respect to x. So ddx of x square, first term. Similarly, ddx of xy or second term, and ddx of y square is equal to ddx of 100. It is constant. Now students, here x square derivative 2x raised to 2 minus 1, and here applying the product rule: first, second derivative plus second, first derivative. Actually these two terms are, students, for this one. Okay, and now y square derivative. Same as applying y square derivative according to x raised to n. 2y raised to 2 minus 1. The y pending dy by dx, and is equal to 100. Constant 0. So 2x is 2 minus 1 plus x dy by dx. Same as here y, but x respect to x 1, and here 2y only dy by dx is equal to 0. Now students, this dy by dx, that dy by dx, we make the common dy by dx. So only I have x plus 2y, this and that. Dy by dx common, and is equal to, yes, this 2x and y take right side. So minus of 2x plus y, both of the combined taking minus common. So dy by dx is finally done. 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. This part upon this part, you are easily this numerical done. Next question number 4. One more numerical coming in the power 3 level. Students, this also infinite function. So same application, differentiation with respect to x. Before start derivative, students, this numerical highlight in your IMP list. Yes, it is IMP questions. So same application, ddx of x cube plus ddx of x square y plus ddx of xy square, yes, and ddx of y cube is equal to ddx of y1. is all values, students. I just showing that in the dx format. Now, derivative x raised to 3 according to x raised to n. Yes, 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. Here apply order rule. So 1 by 1 I am taking first, second derivative plus second, first derivative, and these are value I taking in the one separate bracket. Yes, continue. Here also product rule. First, second derivative plus second, first derivative, and this part is also derivative of this function, students. Okay, and after that I move ahead y cube derivative with respect to x. So first y derivative in power wise, after that y derivative. So 3y is to 3 minus 1, y derivative pending. Yes, dy by dx. And a given constant, you know that it is 0. So finally getting 3x square plus x square dy by dx plus y. Here, what is x square derivative with respect to x? 2x only, power dy. And here directly I am showing dy by dx. Continue, move ahead, x. Now students, carefully listen. Y square derivative. First power derivative, after that y respect to x. So 2y is to 1. But y derivative, yes, dy by dx. Continue. Y square. Here x derivative respect to x. 1. And last of the 3y square, this one, into dy by dx is equal to 0, it says. Now, students, I just focus on that dy by dx comes, and this dy by dx comes. You also highlight using pencil in your notebook, and all are combined checking. So x square plus 2xy plus 3y square dy by dx, common take, and other 1, 2, 3, all taking right side. 3x square, 2xy, y square minus common carry outside. So finally I done this dy by dx value is minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square upon x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. And students, this answer for this numerical here family, that students. Yes. Yes, students, after this I go into next one, 7th one. This also infinite function, students. Sin square y plus cos of xy is equal to pi. Same apply. Differentiation with respect to, yes, x. So d by dx of sin square y, same d by dx of cos xy, and same d by dx of pi. Pi is constant, no doubt, students. Now what is the sin square y derivative? Yes, 2 sin y. Now sin y derivative pending, ddx of sin y. Here cos y derivative minus sin into derivative pending for function xy, and pi is a constant, that's our derivative 0. So here 2 sin y, same, students, power divides. Now sin y derivative cos y pending respect to x, so it is dy by dx. Similarly, minus sin xy, here same, and here product rule, first, second derivative plus second, first derivative is equal to 0. So x, y derivative by dx, y is derivative 1. So finally, students, these are you know I think. Yes, this sin 2y and dy by dx is as this. And students, this sin xy I just multiply first and second, both of the individually. So minus x dy by dx with sin xy minus y into sine xy. You never multiply with this y and this y. Both are separate. Now highlight for our line terms. These are divided by dx terms. These also divided by dx terms. So you just make the common. And this part convert right side. So I have only sine 2y minus x with sine xy and dy by dx just only common here. So this value minus x sine xy same dy by dx and right side I focus y into sine xy. Students, this value I just get out and after that I common taking value divide after forming and you getting the value for dy by dx. So this total form I divided by written. So my answer is dy by dx. How much? Y into sine xy. Yes, this one. Upon this whole divided, sine 2y minus x into sine xy. And that part is here done for this numerical students. Sine 2y minus x sine xy. Yes, students. Easily this exercise question 7 and here. Yes, students, here have we done our up to numericals 7. And this part, our infinite function is also done. Yes, further explanations and next exercise related to this question, our exercise 5.3 in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.